I can go tomorrow because I want to be with you today.
I was born only for you. You can do anything anytime you want, but your studies should not be affected. You should become a teacher very soon, and I want to tell everybody that I'm a teacher's wife. Now go, my dear. You should come home even if it's a day's leave. We'll have fun.
Mm. Dad, I'm going to institute.
Have a safe journey, son. Haven't you taken all your necessary documents?
Yes, Dad. By the way, Sundari.
You don't just worry about her. I'll take care of her. You go and study well.
Okay, Dad.
Have the food at the right time. Take good rest. Call your wife and talk to her daily.
Okay, Dad. I'm leaving now.
Happy journey, son.
Okay, Dad.
Why did you dig such a big hole?
All the rainwater is getting drained into the sea. I just want to get them collected here so that we can use it for the trees here.
Where do you get such ideas from?
This is not my discovery. The farmers in Assam do the same way as I'm doing right now. We are only learning from them.
My dear uncle, you haven't eaten anything since morning. Here, drink this at least.
Give it here, dear. Be careful, dear. You should be a little cautious. Wait, dear, I'll help you. Try going up.
I can't go up.
Give me a hand.
Uncle, you okay, no?
Not really.
I'll bring some food and come.
Sundari? Sundari?
What happened, uncle?
Feeling very thirsty.
Water fell down? Please wait, I'll bring now. Here, uncle. Do you want anything else?
It's raining very heavily outside.
Please sleep inside. Shall I spread a mattress?
No, it's okay. I'll sleep outside.
Why is he so drunk?
Lock the door from inside. What a big sin I was about to commit. My mind is wavering now. A big mistake is gonna happen from my end. I'm getting scared, Chandra. Please save me and our family, Chandra.
Whom are you talking to?
Nothing in particular, dear.
There are no vegetables. Come, let's go fishing.
I am not coming.
Hmm?
You also shouldn't go. I'll buy something from the market.
I'm really bored eating dead fish, uncle. I'll go fishing and bring very good fish and then make gravy. After that, you'll become a fan of my cooking.
You shouldn't go for fishing alone.
The ghost in the sea is not going to kidnap me. Even if it kidnaps me, you'll come and save me, no?
Listen to me. Don't go.
How can a military officer get this scared? You stand by the land and watch. I'll go fishing and come.
I too shall come.
Uncle, stop. We'll do fishing here. Hey, look here.
The waves are becoming violent. Let's go back.
We'll catch some more fish and then go, uncle. I got a big shark, uncle. Ah! 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 Help! Ah! Ah! Help! Help! Ah!
Sundari, Sundari, open your eyes. Sundari, look here. Sundari. Sundari. Sundari.
सुंदरी सुंदरी
What?
You swallowed too much of water. That's why.
Oh.
Here, hold my hand.
Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! What are you doing? Have you really gone mad?
Then what do you want me to do? No father would ever do such a big wrong as I've done to my son. Now I don't have any right to live. I got to die. You move. I should die.
If that's the case, even I did a mistake. I'll die first.
No, you are a small girl. You are innocent. Your life has been destroyed by me. I should deserve to die. You move. I should die.
If you die, your son will ask me what happened. He'll definitely know the truth. I'll commit suicide. Or you just kill me.
Oh God.
We'll both commit suicide in that sea itself. Come!
My son will become an orphan. Who else is there for him in this level? We'll go and tell the truth to him. If he's punishing, let him. If he's forgiving us, let him do
no,
that.
don't do that. I can't even face him now. Please don't do it.
If I don't tell him, I'll surely die.
No, don't
Listen
do
to
it.
me first. Let him decide. We'll go to him.
Why did you come here, Dad? You bring her too. Just leave the place.
I gotta tell you something important.
We'll talk later. Just leave and go.
What's it,
Oh,
Arun?
Dad, if anyone finds me that I'm married man, they will troll me. No one know that I'm a married man, Dad. So please go. I'll come there when I get leave. So go. I'll call you later, okay? Bye.
Arun, wait. Arun, just listen to what I'm
Bye,
saying.
Dad.
Girls will all look like buxom beauties. Stop. This is the house. This is the house. Come. Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
What, sir? After a long back, you're here?
Getting old, right? Not a youth anymore, nah? Leave that aside. How is your life going on now?
I'm always happy. Okay, who is this?
This is my friend. He's from the military.
Yeah, he's looking very stout and strong. Whom do you like?
You yourself take him, sweetheart.
It will cost more than...
Is it so? Is this enough?
Okay. Give it to him.
Now what
Come
are you
on, get
staring?
in.
Go and she's all yours. She's a very known person of mine. You don't have to worry at all. Just be happy. Go. I'll be here having a couple of drinks.
Yeah, welcome. Some people likes on cot. Some people likes on floor. How about you? Didn't you see the ladies ever before? Staring like this? Come on. What? You have given money to stare like this, huh? Make it fast. I have lot of customers waiting there for me. Hey, where you going? Wait, I'll call someone else at least.
Got it. Is it okay, Money?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Lisa. Beautiful.
Yes.
Will I get...
Can you rewind it, Money?
Hey, rewind it.
Anand sir, how is my daughter? You have brought all Mumbai models. They all must be shocked looking at my daughter. Lizzie is not only lucky, she is attractive too. Both are needed, no? Oh my god, let her not be affected by this.
Your kid will never wait away, Kochamba. She is exactly Xerox like you.
You only have to say this.
Ha! Don't get upset, Kochamba. You know what? All that, the director is having control. As some typical mother says, any extraordinary people come, they cannot even stand before this Pratap sir. What do you think, man?
Why so doubt? She's got a very sharp brain, you know. Am I right?
Yeah.
If only Guruji can do this, you can dress him like Guruji and make him act in front of camera.
What, Achama? We need a press release and new models too. Always these Prataps are used to ask for it. Considering your needs and wants, I just brought you here. Huh.
Hi, uncle.
Do you know how many ads this Pratap sir is doing? Huh.
You come with me.
Come inside, my dear. Let me tell you, your body should not be very rigid like this, dear. I'm just taking a measurement for your dress alone. Keep the book with you and just note down the details. 33.
Bro, can I take measurement? You take it. I'll write it.
Little more. 33 and a half. Don't bend. 39. This is the next measurement.
Hey sir, it's not me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I took the measurement for the wrong person. Come, my dear child. Come this side. Who's that?
What's your name?
Ganga.
Nice name.
I've seen you before.
Where?
In ads.
Shaji, Kumar, I'm starting now. Where are my costumes?
It's there.
What is your name?
Ganga.
Initially you'll say Ganga, later you'll become Nagavalli. Mom, I didn't say anything. Come, we'll go. Okay, bye. Hey, it's okay, come. New girls keep coming. If they get one proper ad, they shoot up like rocket. Somehow I want you to stay till the end. What do you want me to do for that, Mom? You want me to stand in front of camera naked? I didn't say you anything. I know about that Anand very well. Ad agency is not only with these people, lot others have. Lisa, you don't speak all this. My dear Mom, for this kind of work, beauty is only not enough. For models, luck is also important. I have that. Look here, this undergarment thing is not that bad. That is, it will make entire world dance for its tune, okay? If you take 4-5 photos, you know how much they're paying? 25,000. Now that mother and daughter are going to take that amount. Can we think little differently, Mom? What? Tell me what? These kind of products is not only used by youngsters like me, no? Ladies like you are also using, no? That's why you can also become one big model that everybody will like, no? Madhu!
Oh, Shobhi, just listen to me carefully, my dear. I'm just a driver alone. How can I take some hasty decisions, you tell me? And that is another person's money also. I have told about you to Anand sir. Kutti sir also know about you very well. If things go very well, then you will go to a higher position in your life.
Hold on for a minute. Madhu,
Sir?
the Lisa's work is over. You take the vehicle
Okay,
and
sir,
put
I'll
it
leave her
there.
immediately. Did you hear what I told you
tell
now?
me.
Exactly, you are very right. The driver also plays a very important role for a lady artist to improve her life. People don't understand that. My dear, this is our studio's costume room. Most of the beautiful lady artists of this film industry have come here to change their costumes. And what type of costume that lady artist should wear as a customer, I will decide. And even now, I'm the person to decide.
Look here, mother. In the beginning, she'll be shy. Then she'll get used to it.
My dear child, just show your face. You should not feel shy in this industry at all. You know about this color? This color is very lucky color for you. After wearing this costume, you will reach greater heights in your life. After that, everything will be open in your life.
Mummy, what is this? How can I just wear these two pieces?
What are you talking? To advertise this innerwear, will anybody wear whole dress? Look here, sir. You please wait outside. I'll get her ready.
Okay, that you can decide.
Yes, sir.
Until we leave from here, the gate should be closed. This is for you.
Yes, sir. Hey, the girl is new.
Will there be any problem?
Nothing, come.
Fine, then come. That I will take care, man. You don't worry.
What money matter? You know what?
Come.
Don't worry too much. In Hindi and Tamil movies, how many ladies have worn this? Thousands of people watch that, right? Even you have seen that? Look here. God has created women so beautifully so that people can appreciate it.
Even then, Mom,
What that, Mom?
if these posters are displayed on the roadside, what will my future become?
If you start earning nicely, who will ask us to marry these glamorous ladies? How many businessmen are standing in queue? You know that?
All that is just a fantasy, Mom. How long will that relation last?
No. Not everybody who comes to court are cinema actors. It's just their fate. No other people are getting divorced or what? You wear this and come.
Come. You very slow, come. Oh, welcome. Please be seated. Now it will come.
Within one more bell, the show will start right now.
Shit. The reason these days girls are getting spoiled are only because of these types of mothers, you know? See how she's removing her daughter's dress?
Give this to that girl to read.
Okay.
Here.
Keep it.
I'll come, sir.
All had a doubt whether your daughter will be able to do such kind of scene. Actually, I was the person who got such an amount for you. So you should give me some commission from
Sure,
that.
I'll give you a share. What happened, dear?
Is this the ad you told about me, Mom? Is this the future you promised me? How many more will come now?
Say, dear. Please forgive me, dear.
Don't say a word. You don't talk to me again.
We should leave, right? Stop all this. Go say all this somewhere else. If mom comes to know, she'll kill me. Huh? Is it you, sister? Okay, I'll call you later.
What is there in it? Why do you close it when you see me?
Oh, that. This video is not for you, my cute sister.
This is not for good, Lisa. You're always on phone. Looks like you'll catch some disease now. Why are you laughing?
Who is not using the phone these days? Except you. That means everybody will be affected, right? If you worry, you can't enjoy anything. Did you get it? Okay. Makeup man Kumar said that I've put on little weight. Is it true? Have I put on weight, sister?
Why do you have to show your tummy to all the makeup men in the city, huh?
You're one big fool, my sister. For models, it's all common. Anand sir says a model should sacrifice her beauty for this job. Anand,
Hmm?
come and sit beside me.
What happened, Achama? Hmm?
I'll tell you the reason I came here.
You already told the reason you came. You don't have to tell anything more. If you want money or something, take it from Narayanan. Go and take it.
I don't want your money.
Hmm?
But why did you take off my daughter from the advertisement?
Who took out?
Did you fix Lisa already?
Not Lisa. Your elder daughter, Diana.
Oh, Anand. She doesn't know about modeling anything. She doesn't even know to walk straight. She'll fall at least 4 times while walking in the house itself. Look, Anand, what's lagging in my daughter Lisa?
My dear Achama, I am not the person who decides this. That Prathapan, your master. This studio is running on his brain work. What to do? I am just an Anand here. Okay, why did you bother about all this? Both of them are your daughters only, right? Both the incomes are going to come to your hand, isn't it?
Few things that you should know.
What is that?
That girl, Diana, is not my daughter. I'm Joseph's second wife, you know that, right?
I know.
She is born to his first wife.
Oh, like that. Hmm?
Look here, Anand. She is one fool. If she comes to this field, that's it.
Hmm.
Anand, somehow get this contract to Lizano, please.
Let me talk to Prathapan. Huh?
Thank you, Anand. Thank you so much.
Are you Lisa, madam sister? What are you doing this time?
I
Ma'am, I
came
have to go
see.
very far. Please come soon.
There is someone inside, no? In the name of Anand. I don't have cash with me.
How much?
40 rupees.
Take it.
Okay, madam. Thank you. I'm leaving.
Why did you come alone?
The studio owner is there.
Who?
Everyone calls him Anand.
Sarah's gone to Bangalore. You're 2 days holiday here.
Guruji, he's there?
He has also left. Sir's house is nearby.
Will he be there?
I don't know that. Please don't mistake me. It's going to rain. It's a wrong time.
Is his house really far from here?
A corner of this street there is a STD booth. If you ask them, they will tell you.
Who's that? It's so shocking to me. Evening I made a phone call. It has destroyed the accommodation and the food of the girl, is it?
That is not anybody's mistake, sir. My fate has always been like that.
For timing, let the fate be there. Take care of your health first. Go have bath. See, take that room.
I left that house when I just couldn't take it anymore. I had no idea where I should go next. That is why
You already told me all this. First thing, go have bath and change your dress. If you fall sick, I don't know to take care of you. See that room. Oh, sorry.
I put my clothes for drying. There are no clothes fit for ladies here.
For that, there is no women here. Because of that, there is no women dress here. I never wear any feminine dress with me. And your presence here is an accident, right? For time being, on wardrobe, Bermudas and shirt is available. Maybe you can take one.
Hey!
Hey. Okay.
Brother, why are you standing? There is an empty seat. Go and sit there. Oh my God.
Oh, where is my bit? Oh my god, I can't live without that. I won't pass the exam without that. Where is my bit? Someone please find it for me. Oh my god, please give it to me.
Excuse me, is it yours?
Yeah, give it to me. Thanks a lot. You know, you saved my life today. I can't imagine what I would have done without this. Did you read this? I don't feel ashamed to tell you. I'm going to write arrear exam. For that I have made 36 bits. But no one can find them. 3 bits out of that is inside my underwear. But the main thing is, to know where the other bits are, I have to refer the main bit. Okay, forget all that. What do you do? She's not allowing me to chat up with her. I'm going to write my arrear exams. Best of luck.
Pardon?
Pardon her?
God, give me the strength to write this exam in a very correct way. Even though it is an arrears exam, I'm taking it very seriously. Bless me, God. Boss! Boss!
What is it?
Why you're keeping all the bits there?
Get lost.
Boss! Don't get past. Then I'll become a lone tree.
Hey, you! Keep your mouth shut.
Make him fail, please.
Wow, super. Escape! Oh, God.
Pass it. Pass it on.
I'll try, madam.
Pass this paper.
Okay, madam. Take it, madam.
Hey, what are you doing? That's my bit.
Front pocket, sleeve, neck, left side shoulder, right side shoulder, pant pocket, under. Take all the bits. Three is missing.
It'll take some time, is it okay?
It's okay.
Why don't you leave the bit in my underwear? Let me pass with it.
It's okay. Sit down.
I need some water.
Go.
Wow, be careful, man.
What, man? The cot is very strong. Was it a part of the dowry?
Do you think that father-in-law gave it?
Okay, man. What are you doing here?
Hey, it's my brother's first night, man.
Your brother's first night only, no. But what are you
I have
doing
to make
here?
arrangements in the room, right?
This is all done by flower sellers. Dude, new film has released. Let's watch it. Come.
I don't have money with me, man.
You have it in your bureau then. Say don't have money, man. Why add pockets to it? Anyway, I buy the tickets every time. I'll wait downstairs, dude. Come quickly. Come with some side dish, man.
Is everything ready?
What, bro? You are here?
To tighten the screws of cot.
She's Chandrika.
Oh.
He is Nallatambi, our VIP's best friend.
Hi.
Hello.
Greetings. Oh.
Hey,
okay.
buddy.
Huh?
Make sure your wife and children had food. Your elder son has school today. He'll be late for school.
Just shake my hands on it, oh man.
Yeah, okay.
How much ever friendly when it comes to girls, he takes no chances.
Nallatambi has a saloon in our area. If you know the name of the shop, you'll start laughing.
What?
And the name is Tala Talapadi.
Talapadi. What is the VIP?
You don't know what is VIP? It's very very important person. The reason he's doing all
How
these
would
jobs.
she know that sitting idle is a big
What
job?
boss? Is everything going fine? If you do this properly, for all the marriages, I'll appoint you as the decoration head.
Hey, shut up and get lost.
What are you trying to do?
Huh? Oh my god, how long do I have to struggle with this?
Sing in the rain, I'm swine in the rain, I'm swine.
Huh? swaying in the rain. And that too with me. Oh my god, she made fun of me. What happened? Everyone is sitting outside. Huh? Has any old man who came for the wedding kicked his bucket? Nitya? Hey Nitya. Hey, I'm calling you. What happened?
Mom, brother came home. He came home.
Hey, what is the matter?
Hey Bhaskar, do you have any sense? You're roaming irresponsibly. Why are you interfering in your brother's life? No one can change you.
What's the time now? 3:45. You're roaming and coming. Nobody can change you.
I got fixed your brother's marriage and first night time. Why did you do like this, fool?
What happened? Why are they shouting at me?
Hey, you decorated the first night too. Where is the key?
I kept the key. How did this key come in my pocket?
Oh my god, give that key. You have done a very good job. I'll...
Where did you go? I was trying to call you. Your number was not reachable.
You didn't get my line? Just a minute. Oh, battery low. It's been switched off. Why didn't you all break open the door?
Ah, you blabber like that. You want to break the door at first night? What would the new bride will think about us, huh?
No, very late marriage. I bought you milk sweet from first night. But it got ruined. What I will do with this sweet?
Pour it on your head. Clear out before I kill you. Get out!
That's a nice comedy, right? Huh?
What's wrong with you all? I got to get irritated, but I stay cool. Why is that all of you are talking like this? Will anyone do it wantingly? He must have done it by mistake. I request you all here to please leave immediately. Please.
Sister, 1 minute.
Tell me, Shankar. Ah, he came.
Sister, I am
Came,
really
no
sorry.
problem.
I didn't do it on purpose.
You partied with your friends? Come in.
Everybody are here.
You
I'll
too
call
come.
you later. I'll call you later.
In-law is tensed. Be careful with him.
Hey, tell me, no.
Nothing.
Hey, tell me, yaar.
Nothing.
Come on, tell me.
Responsible fellow he is, but... You go and sleep upstairs.
Yeah, okay.
Don't feel anything wrong.
That's okay.
Okay, go and sleep.
Okay, mother. You go and sleep. I will...
Hey you, 1 second. Come here.
Yeah, tell me.
Have this. Have it. Go and sleep there.
Mother!
Hey, why are you like this? Do you know what's the time now? There's good time for everything. Go and sleep there.
Hey, stop. Stop, I say. Hey, I'm asking you to stop, no? Hey, wait, man. Where are you rushing?
Get lost.
Just now I met the astrologer. He said tonight is also okay for a first night. But the bride and groom must enter the room before 8 p.m. it seems. That's all. What the hell is he doing? Oh, he's feeling shy. Yesterday, your first night got cancelled because of me, right? I felt very sad about it. I couldn't sleep last night,
Brother?
you know. That's why I went to meet the astrologer first thing in the morning. By God's grace, your first night has been fixed for tonight itself. I have to decorate the room, buy jasmine flowers, go to the market, meet him, and many other things to do. Huh?
You want cool drinks?
No, man. Today is auspicious day. I don't know if the flower seller will be there or not. I must search and find him. Yeah, give me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, thank you.
Brother!
What is it?
That... Jasmines.
Yeah.
Buy extra. Extra.
Jasmine. Okay.
Be careful.
Sit down. Vehicle needs a bumper, life needs temper. Hereafter, this is your number, boss, Alice Bhaskaran. What's this? Who wrote this? Will you answer me or not?
Brother told me to give this to you.
Who's brother?
He's brother for all of us and your boss. Silence! Silence! Open it, madam. Please open it. Pick it up, ma'am. Pick it up. That's for you only.
Hello.
Vehicle needs a bumper. Life needs temper. Hereafter, this is your number. Haha. I am Bhaskaran speaking. The boss. Hey, how did you like my gift? Huh? We can talk how much ever we want freely for hours. 24 hours, 365 days. How much ever we talk is gonna be free. So, did you like it?
Pardon?
What is this? Why do you keep repeating the same word? Now that we are one family, why don't you speak with me in the same language? This is too much.
Pardon?
Didn't she like that song? La 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 la.
Excuse me, what are you trying to do, man?
You were asking me to sing, sing, sing. That's why I sang.
Oh, pardon doesn't mean I'm asking you to sing. I didn't get you what you said. Come out more clearly.
Yeah, now whatever you said, I clearly understood. That's why. How is that?
Very smart.